everyone, this is Carrie at the Waukee Public Library. In today's Team Maker Monday videos, we are going to be making creatures out of books. So first we will make a book hedgehog, and then we'll make a monster book of monsters, and you could choose which one or both you would like to make for yourself. So if you, whether or not you have a real pet, you can make your own little bookish pet to keep with no allergies at all. So first you'll need a book that is, the best size is probably 100 to 150 pages. You can pick an old book that's kind of lived its life, falling apart, had a little trouble, so it's not one you're going to read anymore. Otherwise that will be very tricky. Then what you're going to do is take the first page, and you're going to fold one corner into the spine, just like that. And then you're going to take what would have been this whole edge of the page and fold it down to the spine. So you're sort of folding the page in half. And then you will take the other little corner that's still left and make that a little triangle to the spine. Then we're going to do pretty much the same thing to the next page, but the opposite direction. So you turn the next page, start with your opposite corner folding down, then fold it in half, and then fold the remaining corner to the center. And you're just going to keep doing that, alternating the side that you start with all the way through to the end of the book until it looks like this. And you have your nice little hedgehog. Now, if you've done a paperback book, you can go ahead and cut off the cover around the edges there. If you have done it with a hardcover book, you can put in some brown paper or markers or color something to make this look like the ground or the home of the little hedgehog, because obviously you won't be able to cut through that cover. But if it is a paperback, like this, you just cut it off. And then you're going to need some glue and something for a nose. I'm just going to give you a little hedgy nose and some eyes. And if you don't have giant Google eyes, you can certainly draw some on paper and make your own hedgehog eyes. And then you'll have your own little pet hedgehog. All right, everyone, now we're going to make a monster book of monsters. And to do that, you're gonna need some brown construction paper, an old book, some glue, some eyes, some yarn or feathers or something fuzzy to glue on, some scissors. And you will just measure your construction paper to fit the outside of your book, and then we'll glue that on. All right, and then we will make a little tray so that the eyes kind of 3D out a little bit. And so you can cut an extra piece of construction paper and kind of whatever size your eyes are, use that as your measure to fold it, and fold it over again, because that piece we're going to glue down like this. Get that going there. And then you might want to fold a little lip for the back as well to help it kind of tent up a little bit. You can experiment to see what kind of angle you want the eyes to sit at. Just glue that down in there. Glue on the eyes. Ooh. This monster book is going to be a little off-centered, so it'll be extra monstery. Since it's your monster book, you can give it whatever kind of eyes you want. You can make a Cyclops book or whatever strikes your fancy. And then here we have a few bits of fuzz and feathers that we can just put around the outside to make it all fuzzy looking monster. Or glue them to yourself. All right, and then you have your monster